Welcome again to பாடம் படிக்கலாம். 6th Standard English Term 1 Unit 2 Poem Memory Poem. This is your memory poem, so learn by heart, memorize it. Some likes to solve riddles, so I'm going to ask a riddle. I drink water but not in a cup. I have a bark but I'm not a dog. I have rings but I'm not an onion. I can be climbed but I'm not a mountain. Guess who am I? Oh no, it's very easy. I know you can tell the answer in a fraction of a second. Yeah, the answer is Tree. Our poem title is Tree, adapted and based on a poem by Sarah Coleridge. When I was small, I go with my father to my field carrying a sack full of palmyra fruits just to plant them in the field. I hesitated to carry the sack, but we planted more palmyra tree. Now when I go to my village, I drink piney, I eat nungu. I am very thankful to my father for planting such. It was very useful to us. For many generations also it is useful. Trees are viral as the biggest plants on the planet. They give us oxygen, store carbon, stabilize the soil and give life to the world's wildlife. Not only are trees essential for life, but as the longest living species on earth, they give us a link between the past, present, and future. Don't make trees rare. Keep them with care. Don't make trees rare. Keep them with care. Let me read the poem twice because it's a memory poem. In banyan is the largest of trees. The banyan is the largest of trees. The people quivers in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem tree fruits are very small. The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. The teak trees gives us useful wood. The mango gives us fruit that is good. The banyan is the largest of trees. The people quivers in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem tree's fruits are very small. The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. The date's leaf is as sharp as blade. The teak tree gives us useful wood. The mango gives us fruit that is good. Today we are going to learn about banyan tree, peepal tree, coconut tree, neem tree, tamarind tree, date tree, teak tree and mango tree. Count how many trees we are going to learn. 8 trees. The first one, banyan tree. If tree could talk, it tells us, don't chop me. Banyan is a very huge tree which expands over a very large area. It can live up to several hundred years. This tree is essential, characterized by aerial roots which hang from its leaves. The next one, peepal tree. Peepal tree has a lot of reverence and significance for people. It's known for its heart-shaped leaves. This tree grows even in neglect and does not need much caring. Our place is known for coconut. This picture I just took. As you all know its uses. It's one of the most useful tree in the world, often referred to as the tree of life. 74% of the world supply of coconuts derives from India too. Next, neem tree. Normally begins bearing fruits after 3 to 5 years. We can also eat the fruit. I have tasted. The fruit is used for hemorrhoids, intestinal worms, etc. etc. Next, tamarind. Tamarind gives us pleasant shade to relax. Look at the tamarind fruit, how it's hanging very beautifully. Next, date leaves are 4 to 6 meters long with spines on petiole and pinnate with about leaflets. The leaflets are 30 centimeter long, 2 centimeter wide and sharp as a blade. Pinnate means a leaf resembling a feather. Petiole means the leaf blade of the stem. Next, only 2 more trees are left. The next one is teak tree. Teak wood is used for boat building, exterior construction, furniture, carving, etc. etc. Teak woods are very useful. Next, the very important and the last tree is mango tree. Mango trees are cultivated mostly for their edible fruit, the king of the fruits. It is popular, nutritionally rich fruit with unique flavor, fragrance, taste, and health promoting qualities. It's a super fruit. Thank you. God bless you.